Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a few essentials. Your Android phone is updated, you have a modern browser, and the Apple user sent a FaceTime link. Once you tap the FaceTime invite, the browser loads a join page. Allow camera and microphone access so video and audio work. You will be asked to enter your name, type a recognizable name. Make sure to grant permissions immediately. Without them, FaceTime cannot show your video or let you speak. This starts the connection process. Once done entering your name, tap Join to send a request to the host. You'll see a preview of your camera and a waiting screen while the Apple user is notified to accept you. Make sure to test the mic mute and camera flip buttons so your video and audio appear as intended. Toggling them now prevents awkward interruptions. If video looks dark, move to better lighting. Keep the browser tab active and do not switch apps while the host accepts. After the host accepts, tap Join Call to enter the FaceTime session. Use the on-screen controls for speaker, camera, and leaving the call. If you experience issues, first reload the browser page and re-grant camera or mic permissions when prompted. Make sure no other app is using the camera. Close apps that might block access. If problems persist, switch browsers or restart your phone, then request a new FaceTime link from the host. This usually resolves permission and connectivity hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.